This is Smoothie Experimatics, and I'm going to show you how to make orange juice carrot smoothie. This is what you have to do. First, put that orange juice. Now I gotta mix it until it's all mixed up. There we go. Now to put the bananas. Now I got the Hemp Seeds. Now throw the mangoes and some ice. I've been waiting for this moment. And drop. Beautiful color. Oh. I'm gonna try it from there. I really love it. It tastes really good, but matches with my shirt.
Ooh, it looks like carrots. And it smells like orange juice.
Yeah, because I put orange inside.
Wow, I like the texture. It's soft and very tasty, and it has an amazing taste.
So, this is Daniel, our friend. Do you want to try it, Daniel?
Yeah, sure. It's really good. It's really good because it tastes like carrots and orange juice combined together. A bit of banana.
Yeah. I also tasted a little bit of banana when I tried it. Every single kid has to drink by Smoothie because they can, but it's more smoother, but it tastes more good. It evolves your body and it is healthy.
Very healthy.
All you need is make mango pineapple slushy smoothie, and this is what you need. Dates, and it makes it more sweeter. Also hemp seeds, it makes it more healthier so you can drink it more. And also ice. Ice is the best. And also it makes it more colder so you can get a head freeze. And also these pineapple, it also makes more freshening. Also mango, also orange juice. It makes it more juicery. I'm going to make it. Let's make it up. I'm going to leave it right here. Ice. Pineapple. Mango. Orange juice. I'm putting it light. And I'm going to blend it. Put it in. Also, I'm going to let you see it. Look from there. I'm going to taste it. Wow, it tastes good. It tastes good. It smells good.
Do I smell something delicious?
Yes.
Oh my god. You made this right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me the ingredients first before I drink it?
It's like hemp seeds and also mango, slushy, and also orange juice, and also ice, and also dates.
Man, that looks really good, so I'm going to taste it. So it's like a slushy.
It's like a slushy, but it moves more slower.
It's like fresh, and the texture is like a good feeling, and it tastes amazing.
And by the way, it just moves more slower than I see. And this is what you need. also pineapple, also mango, and also orange juice. Let me show you how you make blackberry mango with coconut water smoothie. This is what you need: coconut water, bananas, and also mango, and also frozen blackberries, Hemp Seeds, ice, Hemp Seeds. It's heavy. Actually heavy. I'm just kidding. Not heavy. Go put the banana. Peel banana, nana. Banana peel. Also, I'm gonna put this coconut water. Very healthy. It also gives it you and now I'm gonna pour it. I'm gonna taste it and see how it tastes. Wow. It tastes really good, man. I feel like drinking it all. This is what you need: coconut water, bananas, and also mango, frozen blackberries, Hemp Seeds, ice. So this is how you make apricot frozen banana smoothie. So this is what you need: Hemp Seeds, also almond milk, and also apricot, and also frozen bananas, and also vanilla yogurt, and also dates. And I'm going to show you what you need. So first, you put it's covering the water. This is vanilla yogurt. I love it. This. It's there for sweetness. And also, I'm going to put frozen bananas, the best. And by the way, you should make this person. There we go. I'm also going to put apricots. They make it more healthier. I'm going to put Hemp Seeds are the best. Almond milk, they make it more healthier also. Now it's time to blend time. There we go. Yo, Ethan!
What?
Come try the smoothie.
Okay. Tastes like apricots. Tastes like bananas. I love it. Man, really good. So refreshing, and it's also good for summer. And how'd you make it so sweet?
Because I put dates. They make it super sweet.
Man, that's really healthy. And is it a good summer thing to drink?
Yeah.
Like pools and that stuff?
Yeah.
Can I help you though? And make sure you comment down below
And hit the bell.
and you'll get notified on all the videos we do.
Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. This is what you need: Hemp Seeds, also almond milk, and also apricot, and also frozen bananas, and also vanilla yogurt, and also dates.